Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars here. So now let's check and clean with me. Now I start from this one. Iron Man, Hero Iron Man, red color. Okay, the next one.
Spider-Man.
Hero Spider-Man, black Spider-Man, everybody.
Red Spider-Man.
Red Super Motorbike, my favorite Super Motorbike, red color. Okay, next one, everybody. How about this one? Helicopter, red helicopter, mini helicopter. Okay, the next one. How about this one? Bulldozer, mini bulldozer. Okay, now check the next one, everybody. Big truck, big truck. បាទ big truck នេះគឺឡានប្រមូលសម្រាមអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយនេះគឺជាប្រភេទបាទឡានជោគដីបាទ bulldozer បាទ bulldozer ឡានសម្រាប់ជោគដី How about this one? Green mini airplane. Green mini airplane. Very nice airplane. Shoot airplane. Now check the next one. How about this one, everybody? Mike shoot supercar. Mike shoot supercar. Very nice supercar. 4 wheels motorbike. 4 wheels motorbike. បាទនេះគឺជាប្រភេទម៉ូតូកង់4ដែលយើងតែងតែឃើញនៅតាម resort ក៏ដូចជានៅតាមបាទរមណីយដ្ឋានផ្សេងៗ How about this one? Yellow bus. បាទ yellow bus ឡានក្រុងពណ៌លឿង yellow bus. Okay, everybody, let's move to another bigger truck. Now check this one. Shoot car. បាទឡាន shoot ឡាន shoot. How about this one? Mini excavator. Mini excavator. Shoot excavator. បាទឡានជោគដីឡានជោគដីអ្នកនរគ្នា Mini bus. បាទ mini bus. Mini bus. How about this one? Truck. បាទ truck នេះគឺឡានដឹកដីអ្នកនរគ្នាបាទភាសាឥណ្ឌូនេស៊ីគេហៅ Mobil Truk Mobil Truk បាទ Mobil Truk. How about this one? នេះគឺជាប្រភេទឡានសម្រាប់ដឹកបាទដឹកឡានតូចៗមួយចំនួនដូចជាឡានបាទច្រូតស្រូវឡានកាន់ដីបាទប្រភេទឡានអិចប្រភេទឡានអាគារដីហ្នឹងគឺដឹកពីការដ្ឋានមួយទៅការដ្ឋានមួយទៀត Okay, now check another interesting mini vehicle. Police car, white color. Okay, next one. Super motorbike, shoot color, number 46. Racing motorbike. Okay, another one. Red Iron Man, Hero Iron Man, my favorite hero. Okay, now check another one. How about this one, everybody? Racing car, number 9, shoot color. Okay, now check another one. Supercar, green color. Everybody, so now I should finish my video. If you love this video, please let me know by comment, like, and especially click a subscribe button. So now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.